So now we have 3 custom models: black Stepney, golden Edward, and the custom Mallard called Mustache Spencer. We use this one for Mallard. And here, this is for our subscriber who bought me several models. I want to say thank you so much for your support. And here are your models working in really good condition. Here's Tommy. You've seen these videos before. I upload and customize the models on on YouTube. Here is Spencer. Let's do a little test run. There you go, Spencer. Actually, it's a custom Mallard now. It's really good. What do you guys think? So now let's put Stepney. Now the batteries I'm using are the batteries I use for the fix and repair. Here I changed batteries, so I don't know if these are new, but they are running fast. So I might have one of these pretty low charge battery, but anyways, they are working really nice. See there, let's put golden Edward right here. There you go. Batteries are okay. So excellent. Thank you so much for our friend who bought several models, and here they are running and ready to go. So if you see this video, probably these are already on the post office on the way to the owners in transit. There goes Mallard. So we have this Edward is from Hitachi company, and our Mallard is a Tomy 2004, and the Stepney is a Hitachi company 2006. Well, I want to say thank you again to our friend who bought these models, and they are on their way to your home. Thank you so much, and see you next time. Bye.